What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. So the parts for the Model A are in. We're gonna be doing that spindle that we talked about a few episodes back. We're probably gonna end up doing both, or at least taking a look at both and seeing what we need to do. There's definitely some play in the driver's side, but yeah, so that's what we got going on today, so stick around. I feel like a bit of this is deja vu.
I was thinking we gotta take the rotor off, but it doesn't look like we have to. This thing should come right out of there, but
I think we had 2 shims in the top.
all right. Well, we're gonna put
Last time.
We're gonna put in as many as it'll hold. Close, right? Okay, still. Look at that. Of course, once it's all the way down. See, now you're trying to make it into the bottom bearings, so it's real.
Bearings are falling out.
Are they?
Need to redo it. Alright, so we tried to assemble it there, and some of these bearings that are in there popped out. So we just had to pop them right back in. That time we tried 5 shims. We're going to try and take it down to 4. Try and slide our pin in and see how that works.
Going the right way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, this is where we're supposed to check with the fluid gauge.
Yeah,
See if we have enough. Otherwise, we'll put another one in.
we can do that. Yeah. All right.
Good?
Yeah.
Seems right. Right?
Yeah, I'd say tighten it up. Right.
Oh, that's this one? Just goes through the hole's nothing?
No, that goes the other way.
Probably those two. Huh? Okay.
right, guys, thanks for sticking around for another episode. That's gonna do it for this one. Go get yourself some merchandise off the website. I'm still doing that little promo thing that you get a free koozie if you buy any sort of merch on the website. So get you some of that. And if you missed the last video where we were talking about the next 3 weekends coming up, we're gonna be, Farm Fresh is gonna be doing some racing. So go back, watch that video, hit the little like button and all that fun stuff. And come see us at the track. Would love to just say hi, love to show you the car, love to just meet you guys. I will be selling some merchandise there too. So, thanks for sticking around for another one. Love you guys, see you next time.